I'm pretty much over it. But anyway, I'm gonna try to run through this video as fast as I can. Okay, but still make sure I'm hitting all the key points. So the first thing you wanna do is make sure you're fixing your bio. Now in fixing your bio, there's 4 things you wanna make sure you have in your bio. Okay, and I'm gonna break down the reasons why you need to have these 4 things in your bio, and this is gonna help you make more money, bring in more clients, and just build a better business. At the end of the day, that's exactly what you wanna do, and that's exactly why you're here. So pay attention, okay? So the first thing you wanna do is state who you are, your name, and what you do. Okay? Yes, I missed an H. Sometimes I do that. Okay. Your name and what you do. My name is John. We're just going to use John, okay? For educational purposes only. My name is John, and I am a tattoo artist. So, now, the very first thing someone is going to do when they find you, right? Because they found you because they opened up their app and they saw a beautiful tattoo, very well executed, and then they clicked on your name, and then they were brought to your page. This is the first thing that they're gonna see, other than, of course, your little Instagram picture, your profile picture, whether that be your logo or your face, right? So they're gonna see you, my name is John, and I'm a tattoo artist. Cool. Now, the reason why you want to put this in your bio, who you are and what you do, is because you can come to any tattoo artist page. You can come to a page that shows tattoos and it just be a fan page, a shout out page, or even a scammer page, okay? So you want to make sure you tell the people your name and what it is that you do. Hi, my name is John and I'm a tattoo artist. The second thing you want to put in there is what you specialize in. Yes, you are a tattoo artist, but what kind of tattoo artist? See, that's what a lot of you guys miss, because there's a lot of types of tattoo artists out here, right? Let's just say for educational purposes only, John is a realism tattoo artist. We can even get even more niche down, right? And put that John is a realism tattoo artist that does tattoos on darker skin. Oh my gosh. Boom. So like I said, and I'm going to keep going back to this, as soon as they get to your page, these are the things that they're going to see. Okay? Because of that beautiful executed tattoo that you just did that brought them to your page. And I'm going to also get into why that is so important. I can't wait to share this stuff with you guys so we can really just, so you can get the psychological part of why this stuff actually works, right? Because, you know, when you're doing something, it's like, I'm doing it, but I don't know why it works. I'm going to break down to you why it works. Okay, so my name is John. I'm a tattoo artist. I specialize in realism tattoos and I work on dark skin. So, boom, right then and there. People know who you are, what you do, and what you specialize in. That's amazing. The third thing that you want to make sure you have in there is where you're located. Why is that important, guys? Because where are you at, bro? You do some fire ass work, man. And you do realism tattoos, which is what I like. And I'm dark skinned. And I just found out you located in the same city as me. Let's just say we're in Miami. Boom. So my name is John. I'm a tattoo artist. I specialize in realism tattoos on darker skin, and I'm located in Miami, Florida. Boom. People need to know where you are so they can, you know, see where you are so they can meet you, so they can pull up on you, so they can get the tattoo. Because some people are like states away, and some people can't travel or don't want to travel, right? So they'd rather do or get a tattoo in their city, in their town. Okay, so when they know where you are, the easier they can find you and pull up on you. And also, when people are looking for you, I don't want to elaborate on this too much because this is going to be in a separate video, but for shorts, when people are typing in the search bar, that's what they're looking for, guys. At the end of the day, I can really just write, hey bro, I'm looking for this type of artist. And that's all you need to know about this entire video. You got to put yourself in your client's shoes sometimes. Okay. And I'm going to, like I said, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you why. All right, cool. So my name is John. I'm a tattoo artist. I specialize in realism tattoos on darker skin, and I'm located in Miami, Florida. The last and most important thing you want to do, applaud, is how they can contact you. A number, right? A link to a booking form. Maybe some of you still use DMs, or you can use an email. So now you have 4 forms of contact. This is so beautiful because now when people come to your page, it's easier for them to just be like, boom, book right now. You want people to choose right then and there, waste no time. Because I can tell you right now, if one of these things are missing, if 2 of these things, oh my God, if all 4 of these things are missing, no client, no bookings, no deposits, no nothing. You're not going to get anything because it's not clear. Your bio is not clear. They don't know who you are. They don't know where you're at. They don't know how to book you. And they don't even know what you do for real. Because you could just be a scammer page. You could just be a fan page. Okay? But you got to think to yourself, when I'm coming up to somebody, when I'm looking at somebody's profile or their resume, this is what I'm looking for. Hey, my name is John. I'm a tattoo artist. I specialize in realism tattoos on darker skin. I'm located in Miami, Florida, and you can reach me at these 4 links or whatever. You know what I mean? Like, isn't that more like, yeah, like as soon as I come to your page, this is the stuff that I'm looking for. All your clients are looking for, well, I won't say all of them because some of them don't like to read, but most of your clients are waiting for you to show them this, okay? So make sure your bio looks like this, okay? All right? I hope that really made a lot of sense to you guys, and I'm more than sure it did. Now, if we want to get more in depth onto why these things are very, very important, guys, and how they can help your business, we want to look more professional when we show up in the world. And why that's important is because if you are looking for a $100 artist, they probably won't have shit in their bio. But if you're looking for a $1,000 artist, their bio probably looks like this, okay? Yeah, you get what you pay for. And a lot of people are looking for this because this right here is called trust. They trust that you clearly know what you're doing, you know what I'm saying? And they also trust that you know how to bring people in. You're checking off all their boxes. Oh my God, who is this? My name is John and I'm a tattoo artist. Well, what kind of stuff do you specialize in? I'm a realism tattoo artist. I specialize on dark skin. Oh my God, and I'm black too. Well, where are you located? I'm actually located in Miami, Florida. Oh my gosh, I'm in Fort Lauderdale. You're right there. Okay, cool. And how can I book you? This is my number. This is my link. You can DM me or you can send me an email here. I'm ready to book, John. I'm ready to book. That fast. Because I can tell you right now, if you're missing at least 2 or 3 of these, people are going to be like in your DMs like, hey, do you do this kind of tattoo? No. Are you in Jacksonville? No, I'm in Miami. Well, damn, you know, I have to, that's the whole back and forth thing that you don't want. You want to eliminate that as much and fast as possible. Okay? When somebody comes to your page, they want to move quickly. People scroll so freaking fast. You think they want to be trying to figure out any of this stuff? No, they do not. So make it more easier for them to do. Make it accessible. You want to be, okay, that's a whole nother video as well. But you just want to make sure that this is doing the heavy lifting. Okay, because this right here is going to get you more booked out. It is. It just is, guys. That's how it works. I've went on some of y'all pages and y'all literally have nothing in your bio. I don't even know if you're real or not. Okay, so you got to make sure that this stuff is in your bio so that you can get those bookings, so you can secure those deposits. And so you don't have to worry about the whole back and forth in the DMs, because that's exactly what's going to happen if you're missing any of this stuff. Okay, I literally still get those DMs till this day. And that's only because my stuff isn't in my bio, but you know, I'm moving on to different things and that's why. But yes, if this has helped you, just, I don't know, just use it. Or you can let me know in the comments. Do whatever you want to do. I just want to make sure that you are really like, you know, you're helping your business grow, like actually grow. And this is going to help your business grow, okay? This is going to do all the heavy lifting for you. Cool. Now, the next video